The following message is being authorized by the request at the order of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat one more time, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this information that I'm about to get ready to give out now. At 10:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, there are reports coming in from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration that an asteroid named ALH A4001 is expected to hit Earth in about 3 hours. We are trying to figure out how and what caused it to make a collision impact to Earth. All residents in the United States listening to this message, we have 3 hours left for the mice to approach. A global emergency action notification will be issued just in case if we fail. More information will be provided when it comes available.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has discontinued its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for public and assigned areas. This is WFAA-TV, and we will continue to serve the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you are not in this local area, you need to tune to a station providing using information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency calls only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed during this emergency.
We interrupt programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations have been discontinued during this emergency. This is WFAA-TV, and we will continue to serve the Fort Worth area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses only. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed during this emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Text-to-speech will now be provided for this message as being as follows. At this time, do not turn off your device as it is important to pay attention to the alert as this alert contains information that relates to an ongoing global emergency. Our world is coming to an end. The plan that was mentioned in the last alert failed terribly as the missiles that were launched leading to the NASA to share this devastating news that this asteroid cannot be deflected away as there is not enough time to stop the asteroid from hitting Earth. The earthquakes with a ridiculous number of 9.0 plus magnitudes with extremely long tsunamis will wipe out all life on Earth. We cannot do anything to stop this event. There is no reason to remain calm anymore. Go into panic mode. Do not tell your children about this event. All residents who are left on Earth listening to this message, gather with friends, family, and to wait out our final moments on Earth. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has given permission for the United States government to select a verse from the Old Testament to be read on our final broadcast. Deuteronomy 20:12. If they refuse to make peace and they engage you in a battle, lay siege to that city. To conclude this last activation of the emergency alert system, we will play the national anthem on all stations for one last time. Please stand by as we conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless you. And may God bless the United States of America.